What's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish back at it again with another Stocks and Coffee session. This is presented to you by First Team Investing. So it's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish, and my boy K5. So we run this thing. Great year of 2025 upcoming. Let's get right into it with what's going on in the markets this past week and upcoming in the year. So Stocks and Coffee with your boy K5 and Mr. Fit to Flourish. This is January 5th, 2025. Welcome to the new year, everyone. So welcome. So we all start with a quote. So the quote for today is, "A problem is only a chance for you to do your best." We talk about a lot in the Discord that whenever we have a loss in trading, whenever someone has a loss in trading, it's not really a loss. The L stands for lessons. It's a lesson to show you, hey, what can I do better the next time? All right. We have the best team in the world. Resources in the Discord all day long. This week, we are doing our key levels class. So we've had our shares class, our stocks master class, our setups class, our options trading class, and now this week we're doing our key levels class. Next week we're going to do our options complex strategies class part 1. A lot more to come. So we can review this week. We had a ton of plays, but I'm just going to mention these massive plays that we've had. We have QQQ calls and we had QQQ puts. We had IWM calls and puts. We've been killing IWM the past like 4 or 5 weeks. There's a lot of volatility, end of year volatility, and going into the new year. So there's a lot of opportunity in the markets, and that's what we like when we're trading options. So I primarily trade options. We talk about buying and selling stock as well in terms of shares and the equity itself, but I like to trade derivatives, specifically going long options, so going long puts and calls, okay? Earnings, no earnings really this week, but we do have earnings upcoming. Take a look at the jobless claims, okay? So U.S. initial jobless claims fell by 9,000, so claims continue to fall. So again, that's showing that we have some sort of a strong labor market, which is pretty much holding up the markets. Prior to recessions, claims typically will rise, okay? So claims falling in current trends shows that we're probably not headed towards a recession right now. So whoever's capping about that and trying to scare you out of your positions and your money, don't fall for it. All right, in terms of related news and buzz, keep in mind that the presidential inauguration is Monday, January 20th, 2025 at 12 p.m. Going into this, you want to be keeping your eye on Tesla, Bitcoin, Coin, MSTR, and DJT, okay? DJT, when this happens, is going to absolutely dump. But going into it, watch these run-ups, okay? Watch these run-ups. That's all I'm going to say. If you want more information, ask me personally or join Discord, something. But that's all I'm going to say there. Really fire. All right, keynote, NVIDIA. So Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, is going to be speaking January 6th, 2025, 6:30 p.m. Pacific time. Live in Las Vegas, okay? Bitcoin is currently still consolidating. It's kind of making that move back up to 100K. So watch Bitcoin currently. And then another big news, Switzerland is going to be allowing Tesla full self-driving, so FSD technology, to be used on roads in March of this year. This is insane for Tesla. So if this does really well, Tesla can absolutely fly to like 900 to $1,000. Tesla tanked earlier this week. With a sales slump. So year over year, not doing too good with their electric vehicle sales. And we kind of knew that going in to this year or this past year. But Tesla is saying that they're positioning themselves as an AI company now rather than just an electric vehicle company. So it's not really a massive deal, but it was enough to cause the stock to tank pretty dramatically, over 10%, I believe, in a couple of days. But it's rebounding. And why did it rebound Friday? Well, they brought back free supercharging for life. There's other good news with the Switzerland FSD tech to be used, and other things happening, especially with the Trump inauguration coming back. We're going to see that run up again on Tesla. And then NVIDIA is going to be unveiling its next gen GB300 AI server platform. That's going to be March 17th to the 20th. So expect another run up then. We're going to hear some more about this with Jensen Huang's keynote speaking on Monday. Okay, so keep in mind they're probably going to unveil a ton of stuff. Look for a run up probably on Monday for NVIDIA. Okay. And then AMD is rumored to be launching new CPUs and GPUs early this year. So keep that in mind and watch, because AMD just absolutely fell from the sky, and now it's pretty much at the floor. So this would be a pretty good area to pick up shares of AMD, or even go long for a couple months. Okay. MSTR acquired 5,262 more Bitcoin at an average cost of $106,000. This was funded by a recent share sale of 1.3 million shares. So again, MSTR is positioning themselves in such a way to be kind of a pioneer in terms of the space of cryptocurrency and being a leader of just housing a ton of crypto, right? And then the FOMC median forecast shows a 50-point basis cut in 2025 to 3.9, but the new outlook is showing that the Fed will be forced to do at least 4 cuts this year. European Central Bank is looking at 4 to 5 cuts in 2025 this year. So we'll see. That's going to put pressure on the FOMC, our Fed, and we are likely to see more cuts than what was anticipated. And then in terms of earnings this week, looking at these earnings, let me zoom in here quite a bit. So there's not too much going on here. We have Delta and Tilray, TLRY on Friday. Not really seeing anything else going on, but we just keep in mind earnings season is starting back up. So keep that in mind. We're going to see some earnings this week. And then in terms of economic data, this upcoming week on Monday, we just have PMI, and then Tuesday we have ISM services, job openings on Tuesday, and then ADP employment Wednesday. That can move the market a little bit. We're also going to have the minutes of the Fed's FOMC meeting from December. That's going to move the markets at 2 p.m. Typically moves the markets quite a bit. And then initial jobless claims on Thursday, 8:30 a.m. before market opens, Eastern Standard Time. And then Friday, we have the unemployment rate and unemployment report with consumer sentiment as well. So look for these things this upcoming week. And then in terms of the watch list, I'm just going to flash that on the screen there, but that's more for our Discord team. But yeah, in terms of the watch list, you already know what to watch. You got Tesla is a mover, MSTR, Coin, those are movers. Nvidia is going to be a mover this week. So keep those stocks on watch, okay? And the market is in an overall bullish uptrend, okay? We're in a bull market. It's been like this for quite a while. It's going to continue to be like this for quite a while. So whenever you're looking at the overall higher time frame, you're seeing that higher time frame is moving up. So whenever you see these big drops, people panic. They're like, oh, like it's a recession. It's like, no, dude, it's a pullback. Chill. Like you probably just don't trade. But when you see those pullbacks, look for opportunities to go long. Like be like, okay, we're starting to get this move back to the upside. Let me go in. Let me go long. Or when you see this massive push down, you see we hit a key level, then you might want to make that move back to the upside. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's Mr. Fit to Flourish, your boy. Happy 2025. Links in the bio. Some people were asking me about like, oh, how do I join the Discord? Like blah blah blah. Link is in the bio every single video. So if you are interested, if you want more information on your stocks or how to trade, it's all in there. But hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you on the next one. It's your boy, and I'm outie. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.